I can fight monsters, I can't fight physics.
Hello Zed. So this is part of a question about an archer. So you said you've already done the first bit, so let's have a look. So this is the bow is designed so that F varies with S as shown. Okay, so you got an FS graph. So what do you know about this? We know the area is equal to the energy. Oops, I don't know what's happened there. So an arrow of mass 21 grams is placed in the bow. The archer pulls P back by a distance of S equals 0.22. So that is there. So if I just go up, that is there, go across. So that 2 4, that's 208. Okay, so we know F is 208. What was it asking? So then releases the arrow in the horizontal direction. So assume that there are no resistive forces on the arrow as it's released. Determine the initial horizontal acceleration. So that is now equal to ma. So 208 is equal to, don't forget that's in grams, 20 kilograms, 021 times 9.81. Oops, sorry, not 1.81. We've got to work out A, haven't we? Okay, so A is 208 over 0.021. Okay, so put it in your calculator. So that'll give me 9,900 to fix. Okay, let's move on to the next bit. I think this is a bit you're stuck on. The arrow is replaced with a different arrow of mass m. The archer pulls B back by a distance SR so that the energy stored in the bow is 64 joules and F is 160. So basically they're telling you got to find 160 and go across. So can you see S could be two values here? It could either be 0.1 or it could be this one, which is, what's that? That's not that. Let's just move that across a little bit. So I think that is, yeah, so it's either 0.10. So SR is either this or SR is 0.37, 0.38. Okay. So the question is then, which one is it? So he said it's 60. It's also 64 joules. Now, if you work out this area, that is a half times 160 times 0.1. So 0.1, that's 16. Half of that, that's 8 joules. So it's not that one. Okay, so it's got to be SR equals 0.38 because that's SR equals 0.38 because that's the only one that satisfies F is equal to 160 newtons and the energy. I'm sure if you calculate it, enjoy calculating it if you want to. I'm not going to bother because I've already eliminated the other one. So the energy is 64 joules. Okay, so that's the answer to this one.